Hey guys, welcome back. How you doing? What's been going on? Sorry I'm a little bit late this week. Things have been just a little bit awry. I've been off schedule. It's okay though. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different, and that is what I use to clean all of my makeup sponges and brushes, because you know we have a lot of them. We go through a lot of brushes and they get dirty and they have to be cleaned, even though it is like the worst chore ever, but it's also super therapeutic at the same time. So I just wanted to share with you guys some of the awesome things that I have discovered while on this adventure of cleaning all of my makeup and beauty tools. In the beginning, I used to use antibacterial hand soap like a Dial or something like that, which works really good. It's antibacterial. However, it does disintegrate your brushes really quickly and your sponges as well. I then switched to like baby shampoo, which kind of does the same thing, but it disintegrates them a little bit slower. I used an e.l.f. brush cleaner for a while. It was super affordable. It did the job okay, but it left my brushes feeling a bit oily when they dried. They just felt kind of just a bit oily, so I didn't like that. What I have found that I do enjoy and that works the most is, first and foremost, one of these little mats. Now, if you can see, it's kind of like textured. It's got all kinds of different textures. This one, I think I might have gotten it at Ulta. It's like $5. You can find them just about anywhere. They have little suction cups, so they stick to your sink, and you put whatever cleaner you love to use on it. Take your little brush, swirly, swirly, swirl, swirl it around, rinse it off, let it dry. You're good to go. Now, when it comes to what soap do we use, the best thing that I have found is this, it's from Sigma, and it's the Sig Magic brush shampoo. Oh my god, say that twice. That's horrible. I think this is right around $20, I think, on Sigma's website. Don't quote me that. I'll try to link it in the description. It's a pretty big bottle. It's 5.1 fluid ounces. It has a little pump, just like any hair care product. And I just take, my nose itches, I'm so sorry. I just take a couple squirts, put it right on my mat while it's in the sink, and just scrub, scrub, scrub. I've had this for about 2 months, and it works amazing. My brushes are clean and fresh. They don't have a residue left on them, and thus far I haven't noticed it really disintegrating or the brushes reducing their quality or making them scratchy. So that's great. Another thing that I found, if you don't have this little scrubby mat, is also from Sigma. It is the Sig Magic Scrub. And it has little suction cuppy things on the back, so you just stick it to your sink, and then this lid comes off. It's easier to do when it's stuck to the sink. The lid comes off. It has holes so that this can actually dry out with the air, and this is a, I think it's coconut oil. Yeah, virgin coconut oil is the main ingredient in here, and it has little spiky things kind of like on this. And you basically just wet your brush, swirl it around in there until it's clean, and then you rinse it off. It works really well. It smells like nothing, like soap. So it works pretty well. I think this is also about $20 to $25, but I really do like this. It has made cleaning things super, super easy. The last thing that I've been using is this. Ooh, and it's kind of dirty. It's been sitting by my sink. This is the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I like this for beauty blenders. The cleaner is good. It doesn't leave a residue. However, it does kind of disintegrate because you have to kind of scrub this on there. It does kind of break apart your sponges pretty fast. But all in all, I'm throwing my sponges everywhere. these are the products that I use to clean all of my beauty tools. Let me know in the comment section below what you use. If you like these products, if you found something better, I'd really be interested to know. So thanks for checking in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think below. Thanks, guys. Bye.